This question, of course, says 1 mole of blank, and we're going to choose one of these things to fill in the blank, contains the largest number of atoms. Now, at the outset, this might seem like a confusing question because I've said that 1 mole of something is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd of that something, and therefore it follows that if I've got a mole of substance X or a mole of substance Y, they should have the exact same number of something. Please keep in mind, however, that each of these different substances is a molecule, and it's not asking 1 mole of what contains the largest number of molecules. If it said molecules there, then the answer would be the same, because 1 mole of S8 contains 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. 1 mole of C10H8 contains 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of C10H8, and so forth and so on. So once again, it's asking how many atoms. So if I have a single molecule of S8 sitting in my hand, I have 8 individual sulfur atoms. So the number of atoms that this contains is 8 per molecule. Hence, if I have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of that, then I have 8 times 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of sulfur in that collection. Does that make sense? So in essence, what we're doing for this problem is we're counting up the total number of atoms of whatever type, and it doesn't specify what type, just how many atoms does each molecule formula contain. This one has 18, of course. This one has 2 aluminums, 3 sulfurs, and 12 oxygens, which is 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 12 is 17 total atoms. This one contains 3 sodiums, 1 phosphorus, and 4 oxygens, which I think comes to 8 total atoms, and this contains 2 chlorine atoms. So which of these individual molecules contains the largest number of atoms, and therefore the largest number of atoms that you would have if you had a whole mole of that substance? Yeah, the answer is, hopefully, obviously, B.